Have you ever wondered if adding too much water to concrete makes it weaker? The answer is probably yes, but how much weaker does it get, and does it really matter? I wanted to find out, so we tested it. Instead of concrete, we used mortar, which contains the same binding agent cement. Concrete contains aggregate, which is made up of rocks and gravel. Aggregate adds a lot of strength, but testing it properly would require heavy-duty equipment that we do not have. As a former engineer who performed testing, I know there is a lot to consider when setting up an experiment. We are making another video that explains why we tested things that we did and how those choices affected the results. If you're interested, stay tuned. The thickness of concrete or mortar is called slump. For our control sample, we used the exact amount of water recommended on the bag of type S mortar. For the second sample, we added 37% more water to make it easier to pour and mix. For the third sample, we added 81% more water to create a very runny mixture. $8.20. Oh, $7.20. Boy. Wow. Wow. 840. Where can go? 40. Where can
Ah, that's cool.
Gee whiz. 8. 30. Huh. It just kind of broke. Oh wow, it's so much weaker. That's amazing. That's funny. Let's see how this actually breaks that. 500. 500. 460. The sample with 37% more water was actually the strongest. This was not too surprising because it had a smooth peanut butter-like consistency that seemed ideal for a mortar mixture. I think the manufacturer recommends less water because the product is designed for laying bricks and blocks, which will squish the mortar out if it is too watery. The sample mixture with your recommended amounts of water was 11% weaker than the stronger mix. The very runny sample performed much worse. It was about half as strong, which was about 48% weaker than the strongest sample. So adding a little bit of water helped in our test, but adding too much water greatly reduced the strength of the mortar.